welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I unboxed my Boxycharm base box for the month of May, and this is the look that I came up with. I really didn't get a lot of makeup this month, but that's okay. So this month's theme is Mother Nature because it was Mother's Day. My box variation is 53. So the first thing that I got, and this is actually something that I picked out, this is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. This retails for $49. I will go ahead and insert a clip of me using it. I'm assuming, well, it actually smells really good. It looks like that. It's really liquidy, so I'm not really gonna tip it over. But I will probably most likely and most definitely like this. I've heard so many good things about Glam Glow. A lot of people love their masks, a lot of people love their peel off masks, and I will probably love it and enjoy it as well. The next thing I got was the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Looks like that. This retails for $34.99. These are the shades at the side, and this is the look that I came up with this palette. I love it. They're very pigmented. There is quite a bit of fallout, but I think that's typical with every eyeshadow palette. The glitters are very nice. You do have to use your finger with them, but I think that's kind of like with every standard glitter shadow, is you're gonna have to maybe go in with your finger. It's not always best to go in with the brush, but I like it a lot. They're actually very pigmented. They're very nice. I love them. The next thing I got was the pretty, I don't know how you say this, pretty, I don't know if it's Vugler or Vugler, I don't know how you say it. I'm probably saying it wrong. It is their eyeshadow, Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer, and this retails for $22. It doesn't have a color to it. It's clear, but it does dry really quick, so pat it on, blend it out, and leave it alone, and it's dry. This is actually really good. I will be using this in many of my other videos. You can't go wrong with eyeshadow primer. The next thing I got, now this, I will insert a clip as well of me using this, but I don't know, I'm gonna butcher the name. This is Amayam Beauty Care. This is the Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. These retail for $17, and these come with 25 towels. It says it removes waterproof mascara. I'm hoping that it doesn't irritate my eyes, but we will see. I love getting makeup remover wipes. I love trying makeup remover wipes. They are the best. I just like trying new ones. And if I like them, I'll buy them. If not, then I just go back to my regular ones. But there's nothing wrong with trying new makeup remover wipes. The last thing that I got that I did not use today, I'm actually going to save this in a giveaway. I do have some stuff put aside for a giveaway. I'm just unsure at the moment if I should do a giveaway on my YouTube channel or if I should do a giveaway on my Instagram. I'm not 100% sure. I'm still collecting things, so I'm still debating. But these are going to get thrown in the giveaway. These are the Aesthetica, I believe it's called. They are the Trio Eyeliner Brush Set, and this retails for $45. So it came with a eyebrow spoolie. I'm not going to take it out of the package. And then it came with a eyeliner. This is eyeliner brush. This is good for like cream liner, gel liner, anything like that. And then this is the eyebrow brush. You could also use it for your eyebrows, or you could use it for the eyeliner, the gel liner, cream eyeliner. I didn't use it because it was pretty thick, and I already have so many eyeliner brushes that I really didn't need another one. So I'm going to be throwing this in the giveaway. But other than that, guys, that is it. That is all that I got. So my box for this month retails for $167.99, which I think is not that bad. I actually did like the stuff that I did get. I know that all of the stuff will get used. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get on to the tutorial.